How to link Epic Games account to PS5. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can link both accounts from Epic Games and PlayStation. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. What you must do is go into your laptop and just go into epicgames.com. Okay, this is gonna let you into the store and you must log in into your account. How do you know you are in your account? Because if I move my pointer on top of this logo icon, you're gonna find here the option to sign out, okay? Because there's no name on anything. Or well, perhaps you already have upgraded your picture, so you're gonna find your picture. So I'm going into, I don't know, Epic Wallet, because what I need is the next web page. I'm gonna show you this one, because here in the left panel I have the option to apps and accounts. So what you must do is go and connect your PlayStation network. So I'm gonna click on connect, and this is gonna redirect me and guide me into the process to connect my PlayStation network to my Epic Games account. And that's how you can do it. What you must do is continue the process, just follow the steps, and this is gonna be done. Thanks for watching.